Do you own a real estate company and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were? Are you open to the idea of having some help with that? You know, I got off the phone with a guy and he was telling me about his friend. His friend owned a real estate company, decided to start his own. It was a nationally recognized franchise he paid for, and then he couldn't recruit enough producing agents to make it profitable. The problem is the brands don't teach the franchisees how to recruit. So if you're not like Mr. Personality and Mr. Pizzazz, like I'm not, and you're just not magnetically attracting producing agents, then you'd have to learn how to do it. And sadly, no one teaches that except me. So I want you to call me. Again, if you're recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, give me a call. Let's do a complimentary recruiting coaching call. I'm not going to sell you on our recruiting coaching, but we'll do two things. Teach you things that you could never learn from any other person out there in the universe about recruiting, and see if what we do might be a good fit for you. If it is, it's going to make you rich. If it's not, we'll admit that, and I'm still always happy to help you in any other ways I can. Go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch my video on recruiting. That will help you recruit for sure. And it would probably give you a good idea if what we do might be a good fit for you. And then give me a call at 480-385-8810. And let's schedule a time to meet on the phone. And let's make you a fearless recruiter. Thank you.